ito ang mga common na manifestation blocks. Bakit paminsan yung ating, kung ano man ating minamanifest, di siya nagkakatotoo. So, if you have watched my previous video, so at least meron ka ng brief understanding kung ano nga ba talaga ang law of vibration and how we use it to manifest. So, manifestation blocks. So, kumbaga this is inherent sa ating psyche. So, each one of us merong mga different types of blocks. So, ito siya is nagsisimula sa childhood, sa upbringing natin, paano tayo pinapalaki. So, it's a compilation of different na mga ugali. So, for this one, let's go try to break each and every one of them. So, with regards to manifestation blocks, the common is yung self-sabotage. So, we are trying to manifest something, but later on, we have negative thoughts and to a point na na-outpower ng negative thoughts yung ating manifestation. So, that is a very common na manifestation block. So, usually we encounter this during the last stage of our manifestation wherein malapit na siyang ibigay sa atin or like andyan na siya in the last minute, kumbaga there is a shift in our vibration. So, again, as I've mentioned from the previous video, so our body, we are constantly vibrating at a certain frequency. So each moment, each emotion that you carry out, kumbaga, kung ano ang mood mo ngayon, that is your current vibration. So depende sa vibration mo ngayon, that will manifest onto your reality. So if you need to be aware na if you're vibrating at a certain frequency, you need to snap out of it. You need to pick yourself up. Kumbaga, you need to pull your vibes up. So again, para you will be aligned to that specific reality that you want. So with regards to manifestation blocks, saka yung mga how we stop our manifestation, kumbaga, the key role here is awareness. You need to observe your thoughts. The moment na napansin mo na medyo bumabagsak na yung vibes mo, or like papunta na sa negativity yung thinking mo, it will also reflect on your body and how it vibrates and how it affects your current reality. So kapag napansin mo na medyo ganun na, you need to at least take a deep breath, relax, and focus on your goal and focus on the version of you wherein nangyari na yung kung ano man yung gusto mong i-manifest. So the easiest way for us to conquer this is, again, I would highly emphasize meditation. So, basics, kumbaga, with regards to meditation, you can do a simple meditation anywhere, kahit saan, anong oras. It's just like putting your attention back. A simple technique that I use is focusing on the inhale and exhale. So, kapag nagfo-focus ka sa inhale-exhale, yung lahat ng energy mo is pinofocus mo sa harap mo lang, sa breathing mo lang. And that is a very simple technique that you can use if ever that you have negative thoughts or like something na negative on your mind with regards to your manifestation. You try to pull back your energy. Kasi usually, when you have negative thoughts, your mind is no longer grounded. Kumbaga, na siya, kung saan-saan na siya napupunta. So, that's why you have negative thoughts already. So, again, the secret is to pull back your energy. Pull it back in and focus on your goal and focus to the reality that you want. So, again, guys, thank you so much. And again, all the glory is His, all the wisdom is His. Bye-bye.